Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Angie Flemings and welcome to this video. Now, as you can see by the title, this is a Ipsy review video. Now, I have never had Ipsy. Somebody at work told me about it. Sasha, if you're watching this, hello. Mwah. And I was like, I've heard of it before, and I heard of BoxyCharm, but I wasn't sure, you know. I just, like, especially if I'm giving my money away, I'm not sure. Like, I'm not sure. So I'm very undecisive sometimes. So I wanted to get the best out of the best, and since she highly recommended, I was like, I'm getting this tomorrow, and it's only $10. So it's like, why wouldn't I? I didn't know it was $10. I heard about it, but I didn't know like the exact price, because a lot of people have been on BoxyCharm, so I was like hearing about Ipsy here and there, so it wasn't like this big thing that I was hearing about. Now, as you can see, I did my eyebrows, I did my base, concealer, powder, primer, foundation, all of that, because I don't know what's in this bag and I don't want to do a full face, and then like I wanted to try these things out for you guys as soon as I got them. I literally got them today and I was like, I have to film a video. I had to. And if you're ready to see what's in here, luxury or not, that's in here, stay tuned. Now, if you don't know what Ipsy is a monthly subscription service that is $10 per month and provides subscribers with a makeup bag and 5 cosmetic supplies. The product includes skincare items, perfumes, nail care, skin products, and makeup. So let's open it up. And as soon as I take it out, I see this. Now, these two are masks. This is a Juice Up Kale mask, and this is a Juice Up Blackberry mask. Mask, don't drink. The fact that they had to put mask, don't drink up there, that's ridiculous. And they did ask me about mask. All right, so this is the bag right here. It's orange with yellow seams on the side all around, and in the front up here it says Ipsy. The first thing that I see is Perlice, I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong. Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm, lightweight, oil-free gel cream, refreshness and moisture. It's an oily combination, normal, even, and sensitive. It's for all skin type. It's a balm. So this is the first item right here. And when I reached in here, I see a MAC False Lashes Extreme Black. So this right here, it's a simple size of a MAC mascara. And when I open it up, this is what it looks like. Now, I've never tried any of MAC's mascara. I've been using my True Essence Volume Stylist 18-Hour Lash Extension mascara. It's so good. It's so good. And I use that with my Maybelline Total Temptation Waterproof mascara. These two combinations together works amazing for me. So those two I've been using. So I can't wait to try this to see how it works. And then I see Ofra Cosmetics Laboratories. And this is the eyeshadow called Blue Jean. This is the eyeshadow right here. And this is the eyeshadow. This is it right here. This, I just rubbed my finger in the pan, and this is the first swipe and this is the second swipe. It looks really good. Like, it looks really beautiful. Last but not least, we have Huda Beauty Liquid Matte lipstick in the shade Trophy Wife. This is it right here. This is Trophy Wife right here. It looks good. It actually matches my shirt. What are the chances, right? So I'm gonna try the Ofra all over my eyes, and I'm using my e.l.f. blending brush. Now this is the Ofra product right here. I'm just gonna put some more on my lid. Seems like a good shimmer product. It's really pigmented. Really pigmented. There's no fallout under my eyes. And there's not a lot of fallout on the pen. Look at that pigment. Like, this is what I'm doing. I'm literally just tapping it. Now I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and then when I come back, I'm gonna put the Huda Beauty on and the MAC mascara. All right, I'm back, guys. As you can see, I am contoured and highlighted. Look at this highlight though. Look at that. I mixed the Laura Geller New York Glided Honey highlighter with the ColourPop highlighter. Soft serve called Super Shock Chic. So I mixed these two together, and I got this. Oh, that's just beautiful. And I have lashes on and a little liner. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in, and I'm gonna put on the mascara to see if it really works. Let's see if this mascara is good. Now, I have no bottom lashes. Now, right now, this is the side that I put mascara on the right side, right here. And this is the side with no mascara. I mean, you can tell the difference. You can tell the difference, like it's darker, but those dark spots are my tiny little lashes. Those are my lashes. They're so cute, those small lashes. Now let me do the other side. That's what I see everybody doing. It's like shaped perfectly for that. It's shaped perfectly for a nice lip photo. I don't know. I think she did that on purpose. Just so that it could shape like that. Look at that highlight up close. Look at that. I just can't stop. So what do I think? What do I think about this? First of all, this is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. I love this. I love the formula. I love how it glides on. Like, nothing came off. This is matte and it looks really good. Huda, what? What you doing, girl? Like, the Ofra eyeshadow, pigmented as freak. Definitely we'll be trying Ofra. Definitely will be trying Huda Beauty liquid lip products. I give it a big thumbs up for the September Ipsy product. This was my first one and I love it. I know I'm gonna love the mask because I generally love masks. I love tea mask, I love ginger mask, and the fact that this is a blueberry mask and a kale mask, stuff that I do eat already, put in my body, why not put it on my face? So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy this, and if you don't have Ipsy, you should definitely check them out. I'll put their link down below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and you guys have a wonderful day or night. Mwah. Bye.